Wood frogs can freeze up to 65% of their body in winter and survive the thaw in spring. Ducks have highly waterproof feathers. They produce an oil that keeps their feathers dry even when they dive underwater. Unlike many reptiles, turtles cannot extend their tongues and have beaks instead of teeth. Baby ducks are covered in soft down feathers, not actual feathers at birth. Starfish use suction cup tube feet to move slowly along the ocean floor and to grab prey. The bright coloration of clownfish helps lure other fish into the anemone, where they become prey for the anemone. The sperm whale's massive head is filled with a special oil called spermaceti, which helps with echolocation and possibly buoyancy while diving. Male walruses are generally larger and can weigh over a ton, with Pacific males often bigger than Atlantic ones. The common cooked lobster turns red due to proteins breaking down from heat exposure. Dolphins produce milk to nurse their young, despite living entirely in water. Sawfish are actually rays, not sharks, despite their shark-like body shape and size, and they belong to the family Pristidae. Snails are mollusks with coiled shells and a muscular foot for movement. They have a radula, a tongue-like organ with tiny teeth for scraping food. Some sharks, like the Greenland shark, can live for over 390 years, making them the longest living vertebrates. The lifespan of small crabs is about 3 to 4 years, but giant Japanese spider crabs can live up to 100 years. Octopuses show short and long-term memory and can recognize individual humans. Octopuses can breathe and sense light through their skin as well as their eyes. During spawning, blue tangs change coloration and perform a quick upward rush toward the water surface to release eggs and sperm. Starfish have tough, spiny skin made of calcium carbonate that acts as armor against predators. Chameleons live mostly in trees and bushes in warm climates. Spider crab is a helpful cleaner of the ocean because it eats dead plants and animals. Hippos have powerful jaws that open up to 180 degrees and bite with 3 times the strength of a lion. Jellyfish move by, pulsating their bell-shaped bodies, creating vortex rings that make them some of the most energy-efficient swimmers. Orcas have highly varied diets depending on their population, eating fish, seals, sea lions, penguins, and even whales. Hermit crabs are crustaceans, but they're not true crabs. True crabs have hard, uniform shells, while hermit crabs rely on borrowed protection. Chimeras are deep-sea fish related to sharks, but look very strange with big eyes and long tails. Despite their scary look, hammerhead sharks are rarely a danger to humans. Cicadas spend most of their lives underground as nymphs and only come out for a few weeks to sing and mate. Their loud buzzing can be heard from far away and is made by vibrating membranes called tymbals.